Hi, you want to start 𝗪𝗏𝗁𝗀 or 𝗪𝗏𝗁𝗀? We will do it within 5 minutes, believe me. You don't need to copy paste a lot of commands. It will be just click, 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 and that's it. So first, we will be using Hostinger for that, and we are not running it on our local PC. Why? You can click on top right and to see the reason why we are not running it on our local PC and why we are using the Hostinger. The main thing is it is very fast. It just gives us a proper Docker where we can host it like within 4 or 5 clicks. So first of all, you have to go to like this link. You can find the link in the description. Go to there. I have already selected the plan for you, KVM2. That works perfectly fine for this one. And just click on continue. You will be able to buy it. Once you buy it, then there will be another link. Just click on that. That will be a guide. So how to install 𝗪𝗏𝗁𝗀 or 𝗪𝗏𝗁𝗀 on Hostinger. So if I go to this link, we have already bought the plan. Now you will see this my account on the top right when you click on the second link, or you can just log in. Once we do the login, so here on the bottom you will see VPS. Click on VPS and then go to your VPS. Click on manage. Here one way is going to terminal and then we will be doing copy paste a lot of commands. No, we are gonna take the shortcut. How? Okay, so next step is we need the Docker Manager. In my case, it's already installed. If it's not, you will just go here, click on Docker Manager, and here you will see some option to just install it. Once that is done, go to catalog. In catalog, we will just search for it, 𝗪𝗏𝗁𝗀. If you don't find it, maybe because it's like 17 hours ago, its name is changed, and now it is 𝗪𝗏𝗁𝗀. Like this one, 𝗪𝗏𝗁𝗀. So if you don't find it, you will use the new name 𝗪𝗏𝗁𝗀, and you will find it. Click on just deploy. Now this token you don't need to copy it from anywhere. This is already generated for us, and we need these two keys, or we can just add one from it. How we will get the OpenAI key or Anthropic? Anthropic is Claude. If you want to use that, use that key, or if you want to use OpenAI, we can use that key here as well. Adding one key would be good so that we can use it. So how to get the OpenAI key? Just go to OpenAI, openai.com/API, openai.com/API keys. Go here or create an account if you don't have. Click on login, and here you will see API platform. On OpenAI platform, I need to log in. Login, sign up, login. Now go here on API keys or create a new secret key. We will say test API key. Don't share it with anyone. I will also delete it after creating this video. So I just copied this key. Now let's go back and paste this OpenAI key here and click on deploy. And that's it. It was that easy. It will take like 3, 4, 5 minutes and it will be deployed. Okay, so now it's ready. You see here a lot of things, but in your case you will just see one thing because I have already hosted few other services, so that's why I have some other stuff here as well. You will just see this 𝗪𝗏𝗁𝗀. Click on this API key, this IP, and it's running. And now in the next video we will do some other settings. We will set up our first project and we will try to play with some stuff and do some amazing part. If you have any problem till here, you can just reach out to me before I record this next video. I will be helping you in installing it, and see you in the next video.